Hey, look, it's him. It's him. Look, it's actually him. Look, where's my phone? I need to take a photo with this guy before it becomes something great. Smile for me, bro. Smile. There we go. Brother, you are watching this for a reason. I know you're still young, and that means you still have so much more potential. I don't want you to treat this video just like any other motivational video out there. I want you to take it seriously. I want you to save it, and I want you to come back to this 365 days later, a year from now, and hopefully you have made tremendous progress. I don't want that selfie to go to waste, bro. You have so much potential, brother. I believe in you, but you must believe in yourself.